Bro versus bro.
Bro.
I will defeat you, Isaiah.
I will destroy you.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another freaking video where today we are going to be playing I'm Inside the Box.
No, what's inside the box? It's gonna be weird stuff like Isaiah.
Shut up.
I'm sorry. No. Okay. So, yeah.
Lightning box. Pikachu.
So if you don't know what's inside if you guys don't know what's inside the box challenge, it's basically where you have to guess what's inside the box, but you can't see it. You have to feel it, and yeah.
You already know what's inside the box, so shut up.
So, yeah, you guys are going to know what's inside the box, but we're not going to go. So, but yeah, as y'all know, we are moving. So we're just using this box that no one's going to use
Noah, look at Noah.
so we can do this challenge.
Stop it again with the white face. Oh, there's it. Sorry.
Noah, comb your hair. Comb your
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair, Noah.
Come.
Comb your hair, Noah.
Come. Look, he's trying to do it. Yeah,
He's trying to do it, but he realizes it's not a comb. So, guys, let's get into this. I'm going to be hiding back here. I'm going first, and Isaiah's going to put whatever weird thing he's going to find at the house or anywhere. He's going to find it, and he's going to put it in the box, guys. So, pick something, Isaiah, for them. Pick something weird. Don't pick something too weird, because each round is supposed to get weirder and weirder.
Don't come and video this way.
Guys, I don't know. Looking for something right now. Okay. No, I don't know. This. And no, it won't fit. This little thing right here. There.
Are you ready?
Yes. I didn't pick the same thing.
Huh?
Huh?
What the heck? Oh. It's a little outlet cover.
Yeah.
So guys, that one was pretty easy. I'm gonna do something a little hard. But yeah, so next up is Isaiah, and Isaiah, better hide, bro. So guys, I'm finding something really weird. And I'm probably thinking of this one. But it's
I got used to it, so I don't hear it.
probably noticed it already. So let's find something a little weird. Like this. I think guys, I'm gonna scare him. I'm gonna see it's moving. So, nah, this one's too hard. He's never gonna notice this. Try this. He loves this stuff. He loves this stuff. So yeah, guys. Let's be careful. Be careful with this one, okay? Now look up. Look up. And then put your hand in the box. And then you look straight. Look at the camera. Be careful, it's moving.
Oh, it's my Pokemon ball.
Oh, dang it. How did you know?
Because I remember this. Oh, how this felt.
Okay, guys, so...
You tried to make me worry.
Yeah.
Ah.
So next up, it's my turn again. So we're doing like 3 rounds, right?
Ah.
Yeah, 3 rounds.
No, 5.
So guys,
No!
so let's do this. It's gotta be like, it's gotta be a little harder, guys.
Okay, we're ready.
Space Jam, almost feeling man. Oh. Where is it?
I'm coming through.
Okay.
Keep your eye on the box, Isaiah. I know this. It's the pump.
Dang!
It's the pump.
Dang it. Dang it, look.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that one was a little harder. Like it took some time to recognize. So next up is Isaiah.
Where did the pump go?
Right there. So I'm gonna do something a little harder that you guys already saw from last time. So let's do this. Guys, I'm gonna get something a little harder that he might not notice, but it's a little bigger. And guys, sneak peek. If I find something alive, I'm gonna put it in the last round, guys. So let's get it. This one's a little harder. It's like a 3rd round thing. No, guys, I think we're gonna go 4 rounds, guys. Because it's gonna be really easy. Okay, Isaiah, come out. Oh, guys, so I just told you guys that if I find something alive, I'll put it in the box. Okay, guys? So, get ready. Yes, Isaiah. Just getting ready.
It's a screwdriver.
Ah! Dang it. So I just told them that we might do 4 rounds, okay?
Okay.
So right now it's the 3rd round. So right now it's the 3rd round. And it's still the 3rd round, but the 4th round, we have to go outside and find something.
Yeah, it's gonna be weird.
It's gonna be weird.
I'm gonna grab a snake.
No. I'll probably grab a raccoon. I'm just joking. Maybe.
I don't have rabies.
Okay, guys, so next up is I have to guess it. So,
Okay.
let's get ready. Wait. Yeah. So, wait, no. Isn't this the 4th round? Or no?
No. We still have to do it.
Okay. So, let's do it.
Perfect thing in mind. It's extra hard. Uh-oh. No, the box fell. The box fell.
Wow.
Okay, that's good.
It's a sandal. It's mom's sandal.
Good job.
Because I can feel
Good
it.
job. Oh my god.
Oh!
It scared me.
How does a sandal weigh that much?
Look at the outside, guys. It's beautiful and really
So
sexy.
Isaiah's going to be guessing first.
It is really, really sexy.
Isaiah's going to be guessing first. So I have to go.
I'm gonna grab a lizard.
I'll probably grab one. So,
Probably's gonna be impossible.
so guys, I can't wait to do this. So I'm gonna find one. Let's go. He doesn't know what I have. Go ahead. Probably got a little lizard. Because you can see lizards all over the place. There's a lizard. I'm probably gonna catch that one. Come on. It's really hard to hold the camera and catch a lizard. So, it's really hard. There's a lizard. There's a lizard. Lizard right. It's really hard to find something. Oh, oh. No, we went in the sewers. Hello? That was my neighbor. I used to be good at catching lizards. I think the key to lizard catching is to actually like know when they're moving, because there's lizards all over the place. Oh shoot. Oh dang, there's a big one. Oh dang. Oh, where'd he go? Oh. Dang, they keep moving. Oh. I gotta like size up on them. Man, these things are so hard to get. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna skip and then I'm gonna finally tell you when I get the lizard. So, yeah. Guys, apparently I couldn't catch the little suckers. So, I basically just got this. After a long time, Isaiah's still standing there. So let's just see. Let's see.
It better be something good. If not, I wasted all that time doing nothing. Oh, no, I can see it. No, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. God, please help me. Is there something alive?
Maybe.
What? Maybe.
Okay, go back.
Watch out, ew. Ah, it's the watermelon thing.
Because you saw it. I saw you look through here. I'm not an idiot.
No?
Yes, you did.
I only saw a white thing.
Exactly. That's how you know what it was.
I didn't know what it was. Kind of. Never mind. Whatever. You don't trust me. Stupid YouTubers. My balls.
Okay, guys.
My balls.
So,
My turn.
now it's his time to pick something.
Getting something from outside. This better be something good. But let's go find something. It's not gonna be that cool, guys. But, shh, guys, I'm gonna pretend I got something. Get something inside. Don't look. Don't look.
Sorry.
Don't look.
Just put it in there.
Okay, go. Go. This is gonna be funny.
I'm really scared. I'm really scared.
Oh, it's moving. Go. Okay.
What is this? It's a hair comb.
Yep.
How is this outside?
I know. Cause like, dude, this part